What's up, everybody? It's me, Miss T, and thanks for checking out the Answer Key TV. Tonight, we're in for another finger-licking treat. So, without further ado, let's get into this menu. Okay, so we have some snow crab legs and a lobster tail, giving a very simple, cute, and keto. Okay, we also have some nostalgia sauce. Yes. I'm so excited. So, with that being said, let's not wait. Let's not hesitate. Let's get cracking, okay? Okay. Ooh. Greetings. Greetings to you. I hope things are going well wherever you are tonight. Ooh. All of the seasonings. Ooh. The flavors are running wild through here. And for those of you that saw the video with that glade thingy, you already know the vibes. So first of all, I hope this week has treated you well. Because this week was full of surprises. First of all, the moon was full at one point, and it looked like it was racing across the sky. I was like, who are you running from? It literally. So boom. It was juicy. Well, I kid you not. I watched it for a while too. I was like, I was just literally staring. It was very, very peculiar, like rapid speed, at rapid speed. So anyway. So boom. I have a birthday coming up. And my goodness. Comment down below. What is everyone getting 12-year-olds these days? Because I have to tell you, usually, like, little kids are kind of like the easier children. It's kind of like no matter what you get, they're going to be thrilled. But as they age, it gets a little more complicated. And we've done this before, but I wouldn't say it was a lot of like sports stuff before last time, and you know, outside wasn't doing what outside is doing currently, so I really don't know. But I have gotten a few things, which is great. Really excited about those things. I'm still looking for that wow gift though. You know, that, oh my gosh, thanks, Mom. I'm looking for that gift. Let me know if you have any ideas. Oh. Okay, if somebody wants to jump out and play, fine. Fine with me. Well, if not, I am currently working on a free project, but I opened myself for that one. I literally was like, I can help, don't worry about it. It's open. But my availability is the same. It's the same for everybody. As I have told you all before, you know, when you have almost as many children as there are days of the week, other people can't have access to you like that. So that's just it. So that is still the vibe. I have a firm return call policy in full effect, and it seems to be working. I don't think when you do things, when you agree to do something for somebody, you have to remember to give people a time frame. Because anything prior to that time frame, you still on your time. You know what I mean? Like, don't. You may or may not have access to me on any particular day, per usual. That's why I'm very careful about who I do things for, because, ooh, I don't know if I've told you guys about that. I'll tell you again. I don't think I did. But if I did, I'm sorry. So, boom. Somebody, mother, needed help with something. And, you know, they not happen to have my background in certain things. And so, oh, it's okay. That's why we put it on. So I was like, okay, no problem. I'll help. So one day, it just so happened, they said something in regards to, like, I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to help y'all out, since y'all don't have anything to do. So I said, well, hold on. You gotta be careful, because sometimes people will allow themselves or even anticipate other people being distracted by the age difference that you have, and thus somehow you cannot be corrected. No, ma'am. Let me register with you today. Everybody can. Everybody can. Now, whether you receive it is entirely up to you. But, you know, you kind of stepped in it a little bit. So I'm going to gather you. But, you know, respectfully, right? So, boom, I said, well, hold on. I said, I can't speak for anybody else. But the time I've spent helping you is I'm borrowing against the time that I could be doing something for myself. And when you're calling during the day specifically, when that's their time, was me helping you on this project for me. This was a favor for me. I didn't know. I wasn't aware. Hold on. So let me be emphatically clear going forward. Please do not worry about including me at all. Because if this was about me not having enough to do, trust you were mistaken. Okay? I thought you needed my help. But what you're saying is you were helping me by giving me something to do for your business. Yeah, no thank you. No thank you. That is not needed. I'm glad I know that now. Because Oh, if that's what you assumed, that was inaccurate. I'm glad I could clear that up for you. Well, in that case, let me let you go. Good luck. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. And guess what? I never helped again. No, I did not. No, I did not. Here we are. I am building a site for someone, and it's not terribly difficult, of course, but it is if you don't know how to do it, right? So anyway, I'll be doing that. This a small project. Nothing too wild. Nothing I can't complete like after bedtime, you know? Work on only after bedtime. So it's all good. I can't believe, speaking of bedtime, everybody's out of school tomorrow. Again. Everybody will be out of school tomorrow. I kid you not. The kids were thoroughly convinced that they were going to school. Like, let me get my outfit ready for tomorrow ready. I said, you might have to save that outfit. It's not for tomorrow. Mm. So we'll see. But I'm not mad. I'd rather you be safe than sorry. Period. Um, a couple of days to, do some extra reading, extra studying, like, practice your instruments. Like that's what it's for. It doesn't bother me at all. And the way things are going outside, it really doesn't bother me at all. Mm. Wow. Oh, so good. And yes, be mindful of your time. Be mindful of how much of it you give away and to whom. Mm, and to whom. Because, oh my gosh. Speaking of time, I don't know if you've seen it, so I'm not going to spoil it for you. I will not. A long story short, it's on Netflix. Oh my gosh. I am a rom-com writer. I also do like inspirational and self-care and those things on my blog, dancingkey.blogspot.com. But oftentimes when I watch them, I can already kind of see ahead, like, oh, this is probably gonna happen, or that's probably gonna happen, and a couple of things I did foresee. But wow, there were some biggies that I was like, oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. So I love when a writer can trick me. Because there was a movie that came out recently, and I kid you not, I caught all of the things that apparently later on in the film, and I'm just going to tell you, it was the Kevin Hart movie. Kevin Hart and The Rock together, match made in heaven to me. Guaranteed good time. But this movie, or series, I think it was a mini series or something. Anyway, I saw all the holes. So I was talking to someone who absolutely loved it. Who was I talking to? Gosh, who was I talking to? Broken up, but it's still gonna be good. Broken up, but it's still gonna be good though. Mm. I cannot recall who I was talking to, but at any rate, whoever it was, they thoroughly enjoyed it. And they were like, you've got to give it a chance. You've got to give it a chance. And it was like, well, it just didn't make sense to me. It is really tough, writers like watching stuff. It's so tough. But sometimes it's fun because sometimes you get thoroughly fooled. It doesn't happen a lot, but every now and then, I'm like, oh, didn't see that coming. Okay. If you're new to the Answer Key TV, welcome. And if you're already part of the Answer Key TV family, welcome back. I know it's a little late in the video to do that. But as I started doing this, I'm like, oh, we have to explain what we're doing. I was just going to jump right into it. Gentlemen of YouTube, they have been pulling these things out whole. So I've been attempting to do it, sometimes successfully, sometimes not. But here we go. We're going to give it a shot. Now, as you can see, I'm not trying it with my mouth this time because you know what? I realized the leverage isn't that great. So, hold on. Oh, dang it. Wah, wah, wah. Well, we tried, guys. We definitely tried, but dip and check out that drip. Ooh, it's getting everywhere. Okay, hold on. Mm. Mm. I'm kidding. Mm. Wow. Super sweet. Let's see where the rest of it went. Let's see what's the holdup. Yeah. See, it was tucked in. Every time. These are going to get you every time, I tell you. Every time. But that is okay because it's still good once you just got to get it out of there. Ah, this is our last bite. Here's to you. Mm. Is a tick and this point. So that ought to tell you I thoroughly enjoyed myself. The food was delicious. I absolutely enjoyed every bite, but not as much as I enjoyed your company. Thanks so much for checking out the Answer Key TV. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment beneath this video. I would love to hear from you. Hit the notification bell as well, wherever it may be, so you know the next time a new video uploads. And as always, in the meantime, in between time, you take good care of yourself. And I'll see you right back here at the Answer Key TV. Thanks for watching. Bye.